Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the July exclusive beauty bag. It comes in an outer box, just a brown plain box. I'm going to tell you first what I'm wearing. I have on the Tarteist Pro Remix palette. This I got from Andy Does Stuff. This is cool. It's got this like 3D thing going on. So it's beautiful. It's mostly shimmers, which I just adore. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I love it. And on my lips, I have from Too Faced. This is called Too Femme, F-E-M-M-E, and it's heart-shaped. The barrel is heart-shaped. Well, I mean, that part is heart-shaped. This isn't. But in the center of this is a little heart with some moisturizer, I guess you could call it. And that's what she looks like there. Very nice feeling. Feels really good. This subscription I've been getting for a little while now. It's $38 and change, just under $39 a month. And it is $59. If you just like this bag and want to get this bag and not subscribe, you can do that for $59. This particular bag has a value of $274. I think all that I've gotten have been so far between $200 and $300. You know, so it's a great value for the money if you love skincare like I do. For this month, it says healthy radiant skin starts with the right routine. Our July ritual bag is filled with dermatologist recommended favorites designed to help cleanse, hydrate, strengthen, and visibly rejuvenate the skin from head to toe. Featuring a curated mix of full size and travel size essentials, this month's collection delivers advanced peptides, barrier supporting hydration, targeted eye care, and daily sun protection to help you achieve your healthiest looking skin. When you go into the website, you look at this, they give the list of what's in there this month, and then you can click on each of the names to see more about the product, which is really nice. And they also tell you if it's a travel size or if it's a full size. So, and it always comes in this bag. So let's see what we got this time. I love this bag as I'm finding some skincare that I already know about and some new things, which is really nice. So we're gonna start off with, here comes Camille. Are you gonna come up? You never know with Camille. No, she didn't come up. Okay. We're gonna start with this Filorga. Laboratories Filorga, not sure how to say it. It does say Paris on it. Okay, this is what she looks like. This is the Skin Prep Enzymatic Cleansing Foam. This is a 30 ml travel size. It's a good size. It is a pump like this. I like anything that's a pump. I like pumps for sure. So yeah, 30 mLs it says, and oh, it was shrink wrapped. I just pulled it right off of there, but there's a little shrink wrap on it. I'll have to peel that off of there. So 30 ml travel size it says. A luxurious enzyme-powered cleansing foam that gently removes impurities, makeup, and excess oil while refining skin texture and leaving the complexion feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. So that'll be nice. I love a good skin treatment, a good cleanser. Yeah, see, it has this. I didn't even see this. I just popped it off of there. So there we go. That's what that one looks like. Okay. And then we have this from DERM. This is a 5 ml trial size. I did, okay, on the Filorga, I should tell you that. The foam cleanser is $50. The full size is $50. This one, full size, is $112. It's on sale right now for $56, the full size. This is a 5 ml trial size. A targeted brightening treatment formulated with tranexamic acid to help visibly reduce the appearance of discoloration, uneven skin tone, and post-inflammatory marks for a more radiant complexion. You know, as you get older, we might get some spots on us, and maybe this would help. It's a dropper bottle. This looks very familiar to me. I may have gotten this before or something similar, something from this brand definitely, but I don't remember it and I haven't used it yet. you know, when you get skincare, it can, you know, might take a while to use it, you know, to get to use it. So that is very nice. And next we have this. We've had something from this brand before also. This is Xeraphyte Barrier Repair Moisturizer. This is a 2.2 ounce full size. And did I print? I printed everything, but I missed this one. Oh, here it is. It is. I did print it. It's $50 value. So I paid 38 and like 38.62, 38.32. I don't remember what the change part was. But it's in a box. Let's see what it looks like. Formulated for dry and sensitive skin types. Xeraphyte. Okay, let's see what she looks like. I know I've had something from this brand before. Again, I don't know if it was this. I can't get the top open. There we go. Strengthen and restore your skin barrier. It says that it is a dermatologist developed cream designed to lock in hydration, reduce dryness, and protect against environmental stressors. Powered by barrier supporting ingredients that help soothe sensitive skin while improving long-term resilience. This one sounds really nice to me because sometimes I have sensitive skin. So when you open it, it has one of these nice pull tab things. Oh, it's very rich. It's very rich, no scent, very rich. That's nice. I think I've had this brand before, but I think I had a body cream in this brand because I think it was a bigger jar. I'm not positive, but I think so. Next we have Isdin brand. This is a wonderful brand, an expensive bougie brand. This is KOX Eyes, 3-gram trial size, clinically advanced eye treatment formulated to visibly reduce puffiness, improve the appearance of dark circles, and smooth the look of fine lines for a brighter, more rested appearance. So this is a really decent size. It's only 3 grams, it says, but it looks like there's plenty in there. I like small eyes. I like trial size of eye products because you need just tiny little bits. Last forever, lasts a long time. So a small one is nice, I think. And then you get to see if you like it. It has that funny name though, K-OX, K-OX. I don't really know what that means or what that might mean. Let's see if I have more paperwork on that. This is a full size of this is $106. So yeah, combat bags, puffiness, dark circles. So it says it provides visible results in just 28 days. So that is a nice sample. And then we have, oops, I don't have everything here. I was rushed today when I was printing things. So we have this PC Skin X Linea Pro Peptide Serum. This is a full size. It's 1 ounce. Boy, it looks a lot bigger than 1 ounce. 1 ounce, 30 ml. A powerful peptide serum designed to target expression lines and visible signs of aging while helping improve skin firmness, smoothness, and overall skin rejuvenation. It's plastic. It looks almost like a metal cover. This is really cool. There's a hole right there where you can see how much product you have. Well, you can see if you go below that, I guess. It would be nice if it was lower. Then you know when you get to the end. But I love a pump. I love a pump. And PCA Skin is an excellent line. How much is that one? Y'all, this is full size. And this is $154. $154 value on this one. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm excited to try that. Advanced spot treatment, smooths expression lines. It's a corrector is what it says. A corrector serum. So that's the box there. And then we have from Elta MD. I think since I've gotten this bag, March or April when I started, I've gotten an Elta MD product each time, which is fine. It's an excellent line. This is the Daily Tinted Broad Spectrum SPF 40. This is in a 0.5 ounce travel size. I've had this before. It has a color to it. It doesn't, I think you can use, anybody can use it, any skin tone can use it, but it's like it's a base, you know, it will give you a little color if you wanted to just use this and not put anything else on. So it's very light, it's light skin like this color. I don't know if your skin is much darker. I don't know if it would blend in or soak in. I'm not real sure. And I also, then I have to say, I don't know if it comes in different colors. Yeah, I don't know. It's color correction. So that is a travel size. The full size of this is $43. And SPF 40 is what it is. The tinted broad spectrum SPF 40. So this is a really good size to try. I love these trial sizes that have pumps. It's because then you just get out what you need instead of, you know, opening something and spilling a bunch out of it. So, and then last but not least is, see, I'm missing this on here. Why am I missing this on here? I have it over here though. This little guy here, this is from Hydrinity. Hydrinity Encore Body Hydrator. A full size of this is $90. Advanced Body Renewal powered by peptide-rich hydration technology. Really pretty gold, or that copper pump. Love it. All these things have pumps. I just love that. So this is experience smoother, firmer, more hydrated skin with Hydrinity Encore Body Hydrator. This luxurious daily treatment combines supercharged hyaluronic acid with ppm technology to deliver deep, lasting moisture while improving skin texture and elasticity. Lightweight and fast absorbing, it leaves the body soft, supple, and revitalized from head to toe. So this is 5 mLs. So not a lot to get all over your body, but it's enough for you to try. See, you know, I can't like these things too much because I can't afford the full size. But we got the Hydrinity. We got the Filorga. This was the cleansing foam. We got the Derma serum for dark spots and such like that. We got the Elta MD SPF. We got the PCA Skin peptide serum, that $154 full. That's it. That's this one right here that's in my hand. Incredible, incredible. We got the Isden eye cream. Is that what we got? I've got other things up here with me, I think. Oh, and we got this also full size, this barrier repair moisturizer. So this one is for your face. I think I've had this from Body before. Yeah, this is for your face. Okay, so what do y'all think of this subscription? I really like this subscription. I really love it. I love all the high-end stuff. Drop my notes, sorry about that. Love the high-end stuff. So y'all let me know what you think, and y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. And y'all count your blessings. Stay safe wherever you are in the weather, whether it's very, very hot, stormy, all that good stuff, okay? Y'all take care. Bye-bye.